The Dubai Miracle Garden is a flower garden located in the district of Dubai, Land of United Arab Emirates. The garden was launched on Valentine's Day in 2013. It occupies over 72,000 square meters, making it the world's largest natural flower garden, featuring over 50 million flowers and 250 million plants. The Dubai Miracle Garden timings are between 9 am and 9 pm on weekdays. On the weekends, it opens at 9 am and remains open till 11 pm. The best time to visit Miracle Garden is from November to March, when the temperatures are not too hot. Entry fee for Miracle Garden in Dubai is 55 Emirati dirham for adults and 40 Emirati dirham for children above age 12. Dubai Miracle Garden offers more than sightseeing activities, if that's what you think about it. In fact, there are a lot more things to do here. The passageways are perfect for strolling and relaxing at cabanas, or you can dine at the international food restaurants and kiosks. The choice is yours. Additionally, there's a butterfly garden here, wherein butterfly enthusiasts have a tough time tracking and spotting the 15,000 free-flying butterflies. As this beautiful piece of land is located in Dubai, that is not suitable for growing flowers, it requires a great deal of maintenance. The floral beauty you see today is maintained by a team of well-trained and experienced horticulturists. As part of a licensing deal between the Dubai Miracle Garden and the Walt Disney Company, a topiary of Mickey Mouse was unveiled in February 2018. Flower structures of Minnie Mouse, Goofy, Pluto, Daisy Duck, Donald Duck, and Huey, Dewey, and Louie were installed later that year. Other attractions in the park include a floral clock, peacocks, and an aromatic garden. The Dubai Miracle Garden's breathtaking landscaping has earned 2 Guinness World Records for the largest vertical garden in 2013, and the world's largest floral sculpture forming the shape of an Airbus A380 in 2016. The garden opens from November to April, and remains closed from May to October, due to high temperatures. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel, also press the bell icon.